Hi, this is Pavitra from Agriculture Department and doing third year. And I'm going to present you the topic of indoor vegetable gardening. And now we can see the introduction to indoor vegetable gardening. Gardening is nothing but a process of growing plants in different ways and in different places. And we can see the types of gardens like home gardens, school gardens, industrial gardens, and national parks, etc. We can see in today day-to-day life. And people are shows a less amount of interest in indoor gardening. The plants are grown generally in containers, and we can also in pots, ceramic made pots. Like that, we can grow the plants. It makes people are more interested to beautify their home indoors with the different of ornamentals, and vegetables and fruities and herbal. We can plant indoors gardenings like bedrooms, in balconies, in kitchen, in front area of house, terrace, etc. We need to find out the right place to establish indoor gardens in our house. It does not require any more space than house plants. So it's totally we can plant indoor gardens. It is so healthy and it makes us to live long life. And we can see the most advantages in doing indoor gardening. The best benefit of some plants are they purify air of toxins. It provides all the green living benefits. Indoor gardening is the best way to release our stress. Whenever it in a stress, we can see that greeny plants, so it makes us to relieve and relax from tension. And we can also see soil preparation is very easy in indoor gardening. uh, Pest and disease attack will be less when compared to the outdoor gardening. And next, moving on to the topic is indoor food growing supplies. The plant usually need the supplies are light, and then next growing medium, and then containers with drainage walls, next humidity and water. The temperature is very important for the plants to grow, and also a fertilizer. Next, have you also wondered what supplies you will need once you start indoor gardening? Yes, obviously this is for everyone question. So the list of the indoor gardening supplies like a plant tray is an essential tool. By using plant tray, it ensures each seed gets enough nutrients to start good life. A lot of people overlook the importance of fertilizers. Their indoor plants. It keeps the plants healthy and beautiful to look. There are ways of liquid fertilizers and granular fertilizers and slow release fertilizers. These are the types of fertilizers we can use. And then next, we can use like a plastic watering cans or lighter than metal cans. It have long spout, can be tricky to control as you can't see. And you can also enjoy growing vegetables and herbs indoors all years long. Imagine harvesting your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs all year. Be able to add your very own theme and basil to your recipes. And next, moving on to the slide, how to grow vegetables at indoors. First, we have to decide what type of plant we should grow, and the growing condition and the soil condition. And these are the things we should note first. And the next, we have need a sunny window. Veggies will need at least 4 to 6 hours per day. Sunshine, while fruits need at least 8 to 10 hours daily. When it comes to watering, each plant will be a bit different and it will take a variation. We can grow veggies like tomatoes, spinach, potatoes, herbs, etc. We can grow sweet trees in pots at hanging planters similar to the potatoes. It needs enough light and good drainage is a very essential. And if you have pets that may try to eat the plants, or dig in the pots. That another thing to consider. And next the question was, when should I start growing vegetable indoors? Yeah, anytime. It does not need any specific season like winter, summer. No, as per wish we can start the indoor vegetable gardening. Summer means you will have more natural light available, which may reduce how long you run and you grow lights each day. So winter is a favorite time because it's incredibly cheerful to plants. Uh, to delicious salad and greenies and spinach, which is a greeny plants. And there you will go. I hope you will try growing food indoors. Is the fun of house plants with a bonus of food. So it is better to use indoor gardening when compared to the outdoor. It has a more advantages, and we can have. And conclusion, and by this I conclude, all of you try to have indoor gardening. It is very fun and we can have healthy life. So today we are using like artificial veggies or fruits or whatever, and so it is a very essential to have a healthy life means we should use indoor gardening and have a healthy life. A garden for those without a garden, and do it for yourself and the environment. So thank you.